Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to make a 4-wheel drive robot and control it using a smartphone. For making the robot, we will need Evive, a chassis, DC motors, wheels, motor clamps, HC05 or HM10 Bluetooth module, a 2-cell battery, 3D printed 2 battery holder, some jumper cable and some bolt and nuts. Let's begin by making the base of the 4-wheel drive robot. Take a DC motor and fasten it to the motor clamp using 25 mm M3 bolt. Make sure to use the entire holes of the clamps. Similarly, screw the 3 motors too. Now take the motor clamp and fasten it to the chassis using 8 mm M3 bolt. And make sure that you are fasten the clamp to the slide which does not have a Evive logo. Now let's attach the wheel to the motors. Since the motor shaft has a specific shape, match with the wheel's holes to the fix easily. To hold the battery, fasten the 3D printed battery holder between the motors using the M3 bolt of the 8 mm length. Now let's bring in the brain of the robot, means the Evive. Place Evive on the side with the Evive logo printed on it and fasten it using M3 bolt of the 12 mm length. By aligning the molding holes and the Evives with the holes given in the chassis. Now that the assembling is completed, let's connect the motor to Evive. Connect the M1 and M2 channel to the breadboard. Next, connect the motor on the left side in parallel with the motor channel M1 on the breadboard. Similarly, connect the motor on the right in the parallel with the M2 motor channel. With this is our 4-drive robot is ready. Let's test whether all the motors rotate in the same direction or not. Switch on Evive. Then from its menu, select Control, then Motor and finally Motor 1 and Motor 2. Slide both the slide switches upward and rotate both the potentiometer clockwise. All 4 motors should rotate clockwise. If any motor rotates in the opposite direction, just change his connection. Now let's first power up our robot. Now we will using the external battery for the same. Connect the battery to the WIN terminal on Evive. And switch the jumper from VVR to VVS. Now time to make our 4-wheel drive robot smartphone controlled. For controlling the robot using the smartphone, connect the HC05 or HM10 Bluetooth module to the header present of the e-vibe. You can also bend the module if you want. Switch on e-vibe. Then from its menu, navigate to example. Then select Bluetooth mobile robot. Then open Devil. On your smartphone and control the robot effortlessly using the gamepad module. Hey guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. If you have anything that you want to like us to make next, let us know in the comment section below. And for the more much everything DIY projects, subscribe to Brilliant Indian Hacker and follow me on us Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Okay, bye friends.